Let's try to generate C4 component diagram using Visual Paradigm's AI Chatbot. Go to Tools, Chatbot. Let's try to generate a simple diagram for a car park booking system. Press the full screen button to see the whole diagram. So far looks good. Let's try to modify the diagram. For example, the packing database already stored user data, therefore the user profile service is redundant. Let's ask the chatbot to remove it from the diagram. The element traffic light control system is a bit confusing in here. Let's ask the chatbot to change it to vacancy indicator system. It now looks good, but the element is not connected to anyone. Let's ask the chatbot to fix it. Now the diagram looks good. We can import it into Visual Paradigm Desktop for further editing. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.